Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to avoid socks that smell bad. These will be the easiest instructions and this will be a tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 5 simple things that you can do to avoid having socks that smell bad. This is one of my socks and it is freshly washed, so it smells great, to be honest with you. But if you want to avoid your socks smelling bad, this is the video for you. We're going to start off with number 1. And like I said, there are 5 of them. So let's get right into this. I'm going to try and keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point. Okay. Starting with number 1, as I said, number 1 is wash your feet. Okay. Here's the thing. If your feet smell, that smell of your feet is going to transfer to your socks. And then your socks are going to smell bad. Okay. If you don't wash your feet are probably going to smell. And then, basically your socks are probably going to smell bad because of that. Now, do I scrub my feet with soap in the shower all the time? No, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't. But here's the thing. I wash my body with soap. I wash my head. I'm a pretty quick washer. So in the shower, I'll wash myself quickly with soap. And that soap then goes down my body and ends up on my feet. So when I'm rinsing, my feet end up getting some soap. And I think my feet smell good, despite the fact that I don't scrub them. But here's the thing. If you want to really make sure your socks are not smelling bad and you have a problem with feet that smell bad, then guess what? Wash your feet with soap. Make sure your feet are washed. However you wash your feet, whether it's directly with soap or with soap that drips down your body, like I said, or, whether you wash them with something else, make sure you wash your feet. If you wash your feet, at least your feet won't smell, and that makes it less likely that your socks will end up smelling. Okay? Very simple. Moving on to the next one, which is number 2. Number 2 is change your socks regularly. You got to change your socks regularly. I rewear some clothes. Some pants I'll wear twice in a row. Some shirts I'll wear twice in a row. This sweater I've probably worn, I'd say like 4 times maybe, and I haven't washed it. I'm wearing a shirt under it, so it's not touching my actual skin, but I've worn this sweater maybe 4 times, maybe even 5 times or something like that, and I haven't washed it. But after today, I'll probably end up washing it, right? But socks, you gotta change regularly. I change my socks every day. Also, underwear, a side note, underwear, you gotta change regularly, okay? Like I said, I rewear some shirts, some sweaters, some pants, blah, blah, blah. But socks, for me, get changed regularly. And also, unrelated side note, underwear get changed regularly. Both of those, socks and underwear, changed on a daily basis. If you want to make sure your socks don't smell, change them regularly. You don't want to rewear your socks 2 days in a row. Change them regularly. Change them daily. Okay, even twice a day, depending on how much your feet are sweating. Whatever the case is, but change them regularly. Simple as that. Moving on to the next one, which is number 3. Number 3 is let your socks air out if you can. So if you're wearing shoes, okay, you're wearing socks and shoes, and you have those shoes on for a long time, if you have the ability to just take those shoes off for a couple minutes and let the socks air out, do it. Okay. Now, depending on your job, depending on your situation, not everyone's going to have that same ability. But if you can air your socks out by just removing, your feet and socks from your shoes or boots that you're wearing, then let them air out. It will allow them to breathe a bit, and it will allow them to hopefully not get as smelly, not smell as bad. So let them air out if you can. Okay. Moving on to the next one, which is number 4. Number 4 is choose socks with breathable materials. You want to make sure you are choosing socks with breathable materials, okay? Get a good pair of socks. Get many good pairs of socks that have breathable materials. Now, you can go and research whatever kind of materials you think are breathable and the quality of the socks and blah, blah, blah. But choose socks that have breathable materials. I'm going to be honest with you. I get my socks. I'm not going to name the store here. I'll tell you the truth, okay? Basically, I either get my socks from Costco. I'll name it. It's fine. I either get my socks from Costco, whatever they have available, okay? And, or my in-laws actually get me a pack of socks every year. And I don't go through socks as fast as they get me socks. So every year for Christmas, as part of my gift, my in-laws will give me a pack of socks. They usually give us like some money, and then they'll give us socks, right? So I think my wife gets the same gift as me, and then the kids get a whole different type of gift, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, the point of the matter, I feel like I'm blabbing on about gifts. We get gifts, okay? And essentially, my in-laws, part of their tradition is they get me, my specific gift is money and a package of socks. So they end up getting me a package of socks every year, and I don't go through a package of socks every year. These are probably, I don't know how very many years old these socks are. This is actually an individual sock. The other one ripped. I kept this one because I have a couple of ones that match. So when I have another one that matches this, where one is ripped ripped and I have one left over, I'm gonna pair them up and I get another pair of socks as a bonus, right? So anyways, I have so many leftover packages of socks because my in-laws get me a package every year. I probably have like, I don't know, maybe 4 packages of socks in my closet that are unopened, okay? So for me, I just get whatever socks. They give me socks, I'll use them. If I ever run out, I'll go to Costco and get more. Not a problem. But for you, if you want to really avoid smelly socks, you got to choose ones that have breathable fabric. I'm not sure. I don't look at the fabric of what this sock is made up of or the socks that I'm wearing. I'm not sure what they're made up of. But if you really want to avoid your socks from smelling and you really want to, you know, maybe you have a smelly sock problem or a smelly foot problem, choose breathable socks. Choose socks that have breathable fabric. Simple as that. It's not something that I do, but if I had a smelly sock problem, I would be looking into the fabric of my socks and the material of my socks and choosing some that are breathable. Simple as that, okay? So that's as simple, I feel like that's as simple as it gets. I feel like I really over-explained everything, but just choose socks with a breathable material. Simple as that, okay? Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 5. Number 5 is make sure socks are dry before storing them or putting them on. Simple as that, okay? You want to make sure your socks are completely dry before you store them. If you have like a sock drawer or something, you know, before you store them or you put them on. If you store your socks when they are a little bit wet or moist or damp, or you put them on when they're a little bit wet or moist or damp, they're going to be more likely to smell. And if you're trying to avoid them from smelling, if you're trying to prevent them from smelling, then absolutely you should make sure they're completely dry. So just, you know, if you have them in the dryer, make sure they're completely dry before you store them away or before you put them on. They will be less likely to smell. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.